Surge tanks are used. A. For storage water. B. To increase the velocity in a pipeline. C. As overflow valves. D. To guard against water hammer. The correct answer is to guard against water hammer. In slow slant filters, the turbidity of raw water can be removed only up to A. 60 mg liter, B. 75 mg liter, C. 100 gm liter, D. 150 mg liter. The correct answer is 60 mg liter. Biochemical oxygen demand BOD of safe drinking water must be A. nil, B. 5, C. 10, D. 15. The correct answer is nil. The transitional middle portion of a logistic curve follows A. geometric growth, B. a logarithmic growth, C. a first-over curve, D. a constant rate. The correct answer is a constant rate. Pick up the incorrect statement from the following regarding fire hydrants. A. Fire hydrants are fitted in water mains at 100 m to 150 m apart at fire. B. The minimum water pressure hydrants is kept 1.5 kg per centimeter to C. The water at pressure 1 to 1.5 kg per centimeter 2 is made available for 4 to 5 hours for constant use. D. None of these. The correct answer is none of these. The specific retention is least in case of A. clay, B. sand, C. silt, D. coarse gravel. The correct answer is coarse gravel. Most commonly used pump for lifting water in water supply mains is A. axial flow pump, B. reciprocating pump, C. rotary type pump, D. centrifugal pumps. The correct answer is axial flow pump. Economic height of a dam is the height corresponding to which A. cost of the dam per unit of storage is minimum, B. amount of silting is less, C. cost of dam per unit storage is maximum, D. freeboard provided is least. The correct answer is cost of the dam per unit of storage is minimum. Distribution mains of any water supply is normally designed for its average daily requirement. A. 100%, B. 150%, C. 200%, D. 225%. The correct answer is 225%. If pH value of water is A. 7 water, it is said to be neutral, B. less than 7, it is said to be acidic, C. more than 7, it is said to be alkaline, D. all the above. The correct answer is all the above. In pressure supply mains, water hammer pressure is reduced by providing A. sluice valves, B. air valves, C. pressure relief valves, D. none of these. The correct answer is pressure relief valves. Water supply system includes A. digging a well for water, B. construction of dams, C. construction of canals, D. entire arrangement from source to distribution. The correct answer is entire arrangement from source to distribution. Pick up the correct statement from the following. A. detention period for plain sedimentation tanks ranges between 4 to 8 hours. B. detention period for sedimentation tanks using coagulants usually ranges between 2 to 4 hours. C. the horizontally flow velocity in sedimentation tanks is generally limited to 0.3 m/minute. D. all the above. The correct answer is all the above. The maximum permissible nitrites in public water supplies is A. nil, B. 0.5 ppm, C. 1.0 ppm, D. 1.5 ppm. The correct answer is nil. A high velocity of wash water is required for A. Rapid gravity filter with strainers. B. Rapid gravity filter without strainers. C. Slow sand filter with strainers. D. Slow sand filter without strainers. The correct answer is rapid gravity filter without strainers. In distribution pipes, drain valves are provided at A. Lower point, B. Higher point, C. Junction points, D. Anywhere. The correct answer is lower point. Corrosion of well pipes may not be reduced by A. Reducing the drawdown and the pumping rate, B. Reducing the flow velocity, C. Using thicker pipes, D. Using screens having larger area of openings. The correct answer is using screens having larger area of openings. Manholes along the mains from the source to a city are provided at 500 m intervals in A. Steel pipes, B. RCC pipes, C. Hum steel pipes, D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. The population growth curve is A. S-shaped curve, B. Parabolic curve, C. Circular curve, D. Straight line. The correct answer is S-shaped curve. Turbidity of raw water is a measure of A. Suspended solids, B. Acidity of water, C. BOD, D. None of these. The correct answer is suspended solids. By boiling water, hardness can be removed if it is due to A. Calcium sulfate, B. Magnesium sulfate, C. Calcium nitrate, D. Calcium bicarbonate. The correct answer is calcium bicarbonate. For determining the velocity of flow of underground water, the most commonly used non-empirical formula is A. Darcy's formula, B. Schlichter's formula, C. Hazen's formula, D. Lacey's formula. The correct answer is Darcy's formula. The least thickness of Class B cast iron spun pipe is A. 7.2 mm, B. 7.9 mm, C. 8.6 mm, D. 10 mm. The correct answer is 8.6 mm. According to IS 1172 to 1963, a minimum of 135 liters of water capita per day is required for A. Boarding schools, B. Nurses' home and medical quarters, C. Hostels, D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. The RL of groundwater table on the sides of a valley is 1505 m, whereas RL of the stream water is 1475 m. If 60 degrees slope consists of pervious soil between RL 1485 m to 1500 m, the gravity spring may be expected at the point of reduced level. A. 1500 m, B. 1505 m, C. 1475 m, D. 1485 m. The correct answer is 1485 m. Pick up the incorrect statement from the following. The underground sources of water is from A. Wells, B. Springs, C. Infiltration wells, D. Storage reservoirs. The correct answer is storage reservoirs. Disinfection of drinking water is done to remove A. Odor, B. Bacteria, C. Turbidity, D. Color. The correct answer is bacteria. Sunlight. A. Helps growth of bacteria, B. Impedes growth of algae, C. Increases dissolved oxygen content, D. Reduces turbidity. The correct answer is impedes growth of algae. Time of concentration. A is the time taken for precipitation, B. Duration of rainfall. C. Time taken for all the runoff to reach the drain. D. Time taken for the storm water to travel from the most remote point to the drain. The correct answer is time taken for the storm water to travel from the most remote point to the drain. If 4 fires break out in a city of population 40 lakhs and if each hydrant has 3 streams and duration of each fire is 4 hours, the total quantity of water required is A. 1880 kiloliters, B. 2880 kiloliters, C. 3880 kiloliters, D. 4880 kiloliters. The correct answer is 2880 kiloliters. Aeration of water is done to remove A. Odor, B. Color, C. Bacteria, D. Hardness. The correct answer is odor. The yield of a rapid gravity filter as compared to that of slow sand filter is A. 10 times, B. 15 times, C. 20 times, D. 30 times. The correct answer is 30 times.